Okay, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite programs called Teamviewer. Now, if you haven't already heard about the deafening awesomeness of this program, buckle up because it is awesome for remote viewing. Now, to start out, you're going to have to download the Teamviewer client, either from teamviewer.com or an incredibly awesome website called mynewitguys.com/downloads. And it's going to be the little Teamviewer looking icon down at the bottom. Now I've already gone ahead and saved this on my desktop, so we don't need to continue that operation. But whether you're on a Mac or PC, the operation is pretty much going to be the same. You'll just either install it or drag it to your applications folder. Now the way this works is you have to have Teamviewer installed on both computers to be able to connect to each other. And once you have that set up, you can go ahead and connect from anywhere, either on a Windows machine, Mac machine, or your mobile device. Now, to set this up, it's going to ask you a few different things. You can either use your user ID and password. If you predefine it instead of a Mac, then you'll be able to log in with the same password every time. Otherwise, it'll generate a random code that you can have someone do remote support or whatever. Or if you're on a Windows machine, you can use you can set up a sexy little piece of it called unattended access and define a username and password that will allow you to have a partner list that you can connect to automatically. Now, I'll show you how to do this in a Windows machine after I connect my media server here. And you can see my system set up here, and I've got XPMC, Google Desktop, both awesome programs as well, but that's a video for another day. Inside Teamviewer, that's already been pre-installed on this machine, I can either use I can either have somebody log into my computer with my ID and password that generates randomly, or I can do this little piece here called unattended access, and what this does is allow you to set up a username and password for your system and allow you to add it to your partner list. So I've already done that here, and now I have access to either my media server or my desktop or even the Mac that I'm using now. So it's a really simple program to use, and once you connect to a partner, it's like you're looking at a screen. Now, it is free for personal use or non-commercial use, but the term non-commercial is kind of a gray area. You know, you gotta define it how you like to define it. So, but other than that, yeah, it's 3 minutes or less. We've got the setup for Teamviewer client. So happy remote viewing.